Hey everybody, what's up? What's up? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to go over a reversal pattern pattern, a reversal pattern, right? So we're going to go over a reversal pattern, which is the ending diagonal pattern. So we're going to go over how to trade it, how you can take advantage of it, and everything you need to know about the pattern. So if that sounds interesting to you, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, share with a few friends that you believe they'll find value in this video, and turn on that bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I release content like this on a daily. Now, cool, let's get to it. Now, an ending diagonal pattern is exactly like the pattern that we just took the trade this off, right? We took the trade of this. So it's basically a pattern that forms while a trend is ending. So typically, this is how it looks like. Typically, I'm gonna go, okay, let me draw a descending one because we already have a live one on the bullish. Let's have a theoretical one on the bearish market. So this is how it typically looks like. Prices will come, dance with that, do that, you know, before they actually break above and do that. So typically this is an ending diagonal pattern, right? So it happens at the end of the trend after a bullish run, after whatever, bullish run, bearish run. In this instance, this was after a bearish run. And then prices will range. This range, what it indicates is that the prices are losing momentum. Because anytime you see prices ranging in the market, understand that there's no enough volume, there's no enough momentum to push the market in the direction that it was heading. So for instance, if prices were heading bearish or they were selling, and then you see prices start to do this, understand that there's no volume, there's no power to push it to continue where it was going. So the most wise thing to do is that prices will reverse, go and look for more bearish pressure in case it's a bearish trend to continue the trend. But if the trend is up, that means this is the beginning of a whole new trend. So you need to actually be able to spot the trends. If it's actually the trend, going to look for more pressure to continue the trend, or if it's the beginning of a new trend. Because if it's the beginning of a new trend, you'll be catching a trend at the cheapest price and you want to swing with that baby, woo, you know, all the way to heaven. So yeah, this is typically how an ending diagonal pattern will be like. So the key factor you need to actually look at while trading an ending diagonal pattern is that you need to look at the market structure. So you see these highs or the lows. Like for instance, in this instance, we had prices coming from a bearish trend and they're creating lower lows and whatnot. And then we had this as the most recent low. Once prices break above this high, then you need to look for a retest on the market structure, whether it will be the structure or the trend line, for a retracement. And then after that, you just take a trade so that you can swing with it, right? That's typically how you trade it. It's very easy, very, very easy. So you can see that's the same way we did with this trend right here. We had CAD JPY prices broke below that, broke out of this, right? Came back here after the breakout structure, gave us a retest. This acted as our confirmation. We saw this low has been broken. So we actually took the trade on the lower time frames. You see these lows, they were broken and we were like, okay, cool. This is a great indication of going lower because the structure has been broken, right? Now the stops will obviously have to place them right above here, as this is the most recent swing high. We placed the stop loss there. So we are waiting to see how prices will keep on playing out in this pair. But other than that, that's how you can actually trade an ending diagonal pattern. It's actually a reversal pattern, so you need to just be careful with it while trading it. You need to be very careful with it because you don't want to take a trade while prices are still in the range, as the pattern is not complete until prices break out of it. So before the prices break out of it, just watch it closely. Don't take any trade, be patient. Part of being a trader is you have to be patient. You have to wait for the right time to pull the trigger, right? You're a sniper, so act like one. So anyways, sure. Let me know what pattern you'd like me to cover next in the comments below. If this video has been a help, click that like, share, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so that you won't miss out on future content. Till next time, guys, let's get it. Yeah.